Hey, do you like chili cheese fries? I love them. I just finished a pot of hot dog chili, and I'm going to show you how I like my chili cheese fries. I made some French fries in my air fryer. Just going to put a little bit there. Put a little bit of chili in here. Sprinkle some cheese on it. You can use any kind of cheese. This is just a shredded Fiesta blend. I have cowboy candy. Now, folks, don't worry about trying to figure out what cowboy candy is. I'll link the video in the description box. It's just a sweet pickled jalapeno. And a dollop of sour cream. And guys, that's all it is to my chili cheese fries. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.